This video will explain how parts kits are used in Service Genie. Kits allow you to group together multiple items from your stock parts list to form a kit which can then be added to a job, a quote, or a sales order. This can save admin time in processing parts for orders and jobs, for instance a kit of standard parts for a major service. Kits can be accessed in two ways. You can go to the stock module and select the kit parts sub-module. If you do not have the tile available for kit parts, you can add it from the module's icon. You can also access kit parts from the Stock Inquiry module. It is available as a tab on the top row. Within the kit parts sub-module, you can view all current kits in the data table below. Kits are identified by the K alongside the SKU number. The data columns can be edited and added or removed using the down arrow on the right. You can also export the table data from here to an Excel or PDF file. You can sort the data in the table by clicking on the column headers, and you can narrow the selection by using the keyword or search filters. You can also sort by location, selecting either the depot or the engineer's vans. The plus icon on the left of each kit record expands into a nested grid. This displays the individual parts listed in the kit. You can remove parts from the kit using the action tray on the right of each item.